Hi everybody! So this is a video of our spider, and some of the video is taken from other videos because I was working on it at the same time I was working on other things. It's not really a step-by-step video because I didn't really have the ability of doing that while I was actually building it. But I think it kind of explains what we did. Um, Also, the inspiration for the spider was a spider on from Home Depot that I really liked, but it was $200 and we didn't really have the money to spend $200 on a prop. So ours cost us probably around 80, which is still kind of expensive for us, but I made it myself. It's something that like I kind of get to change up, and it's not stayed as whatever the bot prop would be. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is the spider's head. It goes right there. I still have to foam him. All that the eyes are is just a couple pieces of cardboard layered on top of each other, and then the lenses are actually, it's just contact paper wrapped around to kind of give it that frosted look. And then I just use electrical tape around the edges. I did glue it down to make it to where it really would stay, and then I just glued them straight on to where the holes were for the eyes. Hopefully here pretty soon I'll be able to get him foamed. I have to finish the body, but it should be okay. I just have to get going on it. This is what I've been working on today. I'm getting this whole thing foamed. I thought about shaving it down to make it a little bit nicer looking, but I kind of think it looks diseased with all the lovely bumps on it. So I'm thinking about keeping it like that. I kind of like it. 2 cans of foam so far. I still have a section back here that did not get covered, so I have to do that. But otherwise, I think it looks good. After this is all done, I'm going to move on to the body so I can see how that's going to look in relation to this. So yeah, show you that when that gets going. I realized that I did not take any video while I was making the body part of the spider. I did it the same way I did the head. It's made out of cardboard and then it's just covered with spray foam. And then I just kind of attached them together with spray foam so they're all one piece now. I was going to attach the pieces to the PVC pipe frame, but I didn't need to do that because it kind of just wedged in there and I don't have to worry about it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I really hope that you go ahead and you try to make one of your own, and if you do, please post it so I can see it because I'm really interested in seeing what other people did. This is our spider finished and out in the yard at night. It's not super dark yet, but I thought I'd go ahead and do it before it got really dark. So I think it's pretty good. His eyes show up. You can see him. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with him. So this is what our spider looks like when it's daytime, kind of. It's been raining all week. So you can kind of see what he looks like. He came out really good. I'm really happy with him. I know I've already said that probably about 5 times in all these videos, but he looks really cool. And I've already gotten a couple compliments by people walking by, so I'll take it.